The OceanAire heat pump units provide both heating and cooling. The unit itself is air-cooled and comes in a range of sizes to suit just about any application. OceanAire's most popular model is the 2.0 ACH 1211. It's popular because it runs on 115 volts and 15 amp power and can be installed just about anywhere. OceanAire's heat pump models are becoming more and more popular as rental fleet customers can rent these units year-round, increasing their utilization rate by 20 to 30% over a cooling-only unit. Heat pump units operate best when placed in the interior spaces of buildings and not exposed to the outside air. Locations such as offices, retail spaces, schools, and hospitals are ideal. Standalone brick-and-mortar buildings with a lot of foot traffic to the outside may be a challenge. Reason being, when the entrance door opens to the outside, a great deal of cold air can rush into the space. This condition would cause a heat pump to struggle to satisfy the space. In this type of application, you will greatly oversize the equipment. If a space calls for 3 to 4 1-ton units, you will need to install 2 5-ton units. Being proactive will ensure that the space will have enough heat to overcome the air changeovers. This unit has a kick plate installed to tilt the front of the unit over obstacles. The kick plate serves another purpose, acting as a spacer between the unit and a wall for proper return airflow to the condenser. Installing a 2.0 ACH unit is quick and easy thanks to an optional ceiling duct kit accessory which plugs directly into a drop ceiling. When installing the ceiling tile kit, be sure to turn the existing ceiling tile sideways or lengthwise to cover up the hole as seen here. The ducting removes hot air in cooling mode and cold air while in heating mode. It is easier to install the duct kit before positioning the OceanAire unit. When attaching the duct to the OceanAire unit, you can either use a belted cuff or zip ties to attach the duct to the flange. If using the belted cuff, be sure it's as tight as possible. After the OceanAire unit is in place, it's good practice to engage the wheel locks to prevent the unit from being accidentally moved. All OceanAire's 115 volt units come with LCD eye plugs as seen here. Our controls are specifically made for the OceanAire heat pump. The controller has 4 modes: auto, cool, heat, and moisture control. A key feature of OceanAire heat pumps is the ability to automatically switch between heating and cooling modes. You simply set the mode to auto and set your desired temperature. The unit will automatically adjust to determine heating or cooling. The OceanAire heat pump unit can be used for straight cooling or straight heating when the auto mode is not enabled. In moisture control mode, the unit will cycle the compressor to remove humidity without actually cooling the room. The LED displays allow you to view the inside ambient temperature, the discharge temperature, and the set point by pressing the Temp Select button. To operate the unit, press the Power On button. Choose Auto, Cool, or Heat by pressing the Mode button. Set the temperature by pressing the up or down arrow button, and the fan speed to manual or auto. The unit will adjust the fan accordingly based on the ambient temperature. When using the manual speed, our controls allow for our evaporator fan to run in 6 different speeds. Running the unit on the slower speed in the heating mode helps heat the air better. This is because the air takes longer to pass through the coils and allows the air to absorb more of the available heat. There is a little red light in the lower right-hand corner of the digital display that illuminates only when there is a call for cooling or a call for heating. This will not confirm the compressor is running, just that the controller has set a signal to cool or heat. 2.0 ACH unit's control panel also has a con fault warning. This will appear when the condensate tank is full or the unit cycles off on high head pressure. OceanAire's 2.0 ACH heat pump units have a removable condensate tank. When the tank is full, it is easy to remove and empty thanks to its ergonomic design. When you put the tank back in the unit, it can only be installed one way. This is to prevent leaks. After the tank has been emptied, simply power the unit back on. If the tank is not full, then go to the back of the unit and press the red high pressure reset button. If the unit has a condensate pump installed, check the water level in the reservoir. Confirm the condensate line has good drainage and is not restricted. Remove the black condenser grill to locate the air filter. Confirm the black polyfilter is clean. If not, shake out or rinse and replace. OceanAire products are proudly made in the USA. OceanAire offers 24/7 tech support. Visit our website's tech support section for more information. For general inquiries, visit oceanaire-inc.com or call 847-583-0311. OceanAire, providing a better climate anywhere.